Hey, it's Nick at Night with another update here with the Mason bell. As you can see, we've got the dash back together again. LED lights inside. Also throughout. The wiper switch. The wipers work. We've got the new high beam switch, which was fun to work with. And still some more work to do. But also, we got the new lenses for the side markers, the front, and they also ended up blacking out the grill, which gives it a little bit meaner look, I think. It'll be a nice contrast with a white top. And also got the taillights, all nice and new. So the old girl's starting to come together. Thanks again for watching.